All right, we're getting ready to do the carpet cleaning with the Rug Doctor. If you look at the edges, I don't know if you can see them on camera, but we went ahead and did the edges off camera because it's too boring for you guys to watch. So anyways, we're going to do the whole living room now for you. So
It's allergy season.
stretching out too far.
I wanted to point out too, if everybody was paying attention on the first pass, it goes right up to the wall. There's no gap. Now you can, if you're not careful, you won't get it against the wall, but if you're careful and concentrate, you can clean right up to the wall so you don't have to get a tool of some other, a hand tool or anything else to do your
A
edges.
lot of people ask us why we use this instead of like the green machine or something, and the reason is the edge cleaning. Get the green machine and get right to the edge, we'd probably like them, but they don't
Yeah,
do
because
that.
see this edge here along the baseboard? We have to clean that. We have to clean along this baseboard, this baseboard. We have to clean that one. We have to do the hallway edges. We have to get as close as we can to those. Bedroom, I mean, there's so many edges on a carpet job that you have to clean. If your machine leaves a gap of an inch or two on the edges,
Yep.
then you're going to have to use a hand tool or something else to get that.
And nothing against the green machine, but it don't do edges.
Well, a lot of the more expensive commercial quality machines you can get, you can spend $2,500 on a walk behind, self-contained, but they still don't do the edges because they've got a regular brush roll underneath, and there has to be a space for the belt to run.
The only upright cleaner we know of that does edges that we know about is the Rug Doctor. Most of them are made for open area cleanings, and edges isn't a big deal, but to us it's a big deal because customers want their edges done in a residential or a commercial unit. So.
Yeah. Now Hoover Steam Vacs also, because they have the rotating brushes underneath, they get up to the edge a little bit too, but there's still a little gap.
We didn't quite finish the living room, but we'll show you the dirty water.
Yeah,
What we'll
dump the
probably
water.
do is, we won't have much more time to video, but we'll show you an example of the edge cleaning in the hallway where it's bone dry and you can see it for yourself.
Yeah, we'll make that a separate clip.
But here's the
But,
dirty water. Now
see how
remember, this
dirty the
carpet's
water
only been lived in for 10 months, so
And they kept it vacuumed.
they kept it vacuumed. So it's not too bad. It is dirty though. You definitely want this clean out of your carpet. It'll ruin your carpet over time.
All right, he's going to refill the machine, put the get this living room finished, and I'll show you some footage here in the hallway. So that's coming up right after this.